everybody. Good morning from a fairly cool and cloudy LA. This is, I hope, going to be part 2 of, or video 2 of my holiday in LA visiting my sister. We have done some awesome things so far. We hiked the Hollywood sign yesterday, went to Manhattan Beach and had a walk, lots of fun things. And today, me, my sister and her partner are heading to Yosemite, so very excited about that. I think it will take us about 5 hours to drive there. Lots of fun things to see. Super excited. I cannot wait. So let's go to Yosemite. Well, we've made it, and look at this. It's really cool. Tent, and it is incredible. The view is insane, and it's just nice weather. I've just got my top on. We've got a fire going, ready to do some barbecuing. We're just getting some wine and some nibbles. The drive here was just insane, and I mean, we are just a little bit outside of Yosemite with the park, and it is amazing. We drove through a little bit of it today, a lot more tomorrow. Yeah, just want to video everything. So probably going to be some very long montages, but hopefully there'll be good ones, who knows. But just so excited to be here. There is a creature making a very strange noise, we don't know what it is. Hopefully we'll find it. But yeah, it's just really lovely here, and I'm so excited. Good morning, everybody. It's a bit of a different view to what I've shown you, or what you've seen already, with all the tents and the airstreams and the lake. I'll show you on the way back. I'm just heading up to what they call the clubhouse to get some hot chocolate. We've just actually been up here, Matt and Annabelle got tea and coffee, but I forgot to bring this up, so I'm doing that. I slept very well. It got a little bit chilly, but not too bad, to be honest. It was pretty good. I slept in this and my fashion pair. I'll show you the inside of the tent, but I'm just going to do this and I will be back in a minute. Okay, I have my hot chocolate. Yeah, today we're just going to drive around a bit more. We saw El Cap yesterday, which is what Matt really wanted to see. I mean, it was amazing. All the waterfalls are incredible, so I think we're actually going to go to El Cap again and sit in the little meadow and watch the crazy people try and climb it. But yeah, it's just insane. Last night we had a really nice evening. We got the fire going, had burgers, which were really, really good. Matt did a fantastic job. And then we did s'mores, which were interesting. Never had s'mores before, so it was a treat. But in the end, we just decided we kind of like toasted marshmallows more, and it's less fuss, so we'll probably just do that. Saw loads and loads of stars. It's just really, really cool here. Very excited to drink this, and then very excited to have a lovely, lovely day. Try and get the water for you. I don't know if we can see it, but the lakey thing is right there. There's lots of strange creatures making lots of different noises, but it's really quite epic. So I'm gonna get ready for the day, and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Ooh, the shadows of the sunshine. Oh, it's so nice just being sat in the sun with this amazing view. And all the crazy creatures making really weird sounds. We cannot work out what it is. Oh dear, we just had blueberry muffins for breakfast and they were pretty good, not gonna lie. Annabelle and Matt have just gone to go and get some more coffee, and I just opted to sit here in the sunshine. We've been looking at the maps, figuring out what we're gonna do today. I think we're gonna, as I mentioned, go back to El Cap and just do sort of the loop around the park and things like that, and see everything we want to see. We've got some stuff for lunch, got some snacks and some pretzels, looking forward to those. And yeah, just chilling and enjoying the day. I've got my sister's sunglasses on because the earpiece fell off my ones, so she is being loving enough to let me borrow them, but for some reason they don't actually allow me to do face recognition on my phone, so I have to take them off, which is quite funny. But yeah, poor Alex, she had to stay at home and work, so missing her, but it's quite fun to be here, not gonna lie. As I said earlier, the sky last night was just amazing. There were so many stars. It's like pictures and phones just don't do justice how many stars there are. It was absolutely incredible. But it's just nice. It is Wednesday today, so I drove up here yesterday, got the full day here today, and then we have to be out of our campsite at 10 tomorrow, and then we're going to go and do something a bit closer to the park exit where we head home, do a walk around there, and then head home. But I'm not thinking about that yet, just going to enjoy the day. So I'm going to show you inside our tent quickly while I'm here. Okay, so this is the outside. We clearly need to make the bed, but this is where I slept. It's a full-on bed. Apparently Annabelle said it's one of the comfiest beds she's ever slept in. There's a fridge over there. Yeah, it's just pretty epic tent, not gonna lie. And the view outside, it's just insane. So very, very fun. Pretty epic. Should have taken my sunglasses off. And yeah, and just that view was just amazing. And then immediately there is some, where is it? Can't see it now, but there's some toilets up there. And then there's the massive clubhouse around there, which has got the showers and things like that in it. But it is just an incredible place, and I'm really glad to be here. Okay, we are all dressed for the day, sandwiches are made, had breakfast. Let's go see some of Yosemite. once again, I'm going to go and try and get a hot chocolate. It is early. We had an incredible day yesterday. There was lots of walking involved, and my legs are really tired now. And then for dinner, we came back, and for mine and Annabelle's birthdays, because our birthdays are 2 weeks apart, Alex had bought us one of the dinner packs here, so we had steak for dinner on the barbecue, and it was really, really good. So we had that, and we did toasted marshmallows, had some wine, and it was just a really, really lovely evening. We don't really want to go home, or go back to LA. I mean, I do, but I don't. I quite like it here. And this morning we were just sat with the tent door open, staring out. So I'm just gonna get my hot chocolate. I'll be back in a minute. I've got the goods. Yes, this morning we have to pack up and be out of here by 11, but we're gonna, or 10 actually, we're gonna go a little bit earlier just so we can actually spend some of the day before the sort of 5-hour drive back to LA. So it's all gonna be good. Yeah, yesterday we went and looked at El Cap and some of the climbers going up it, and then we hiked up to one of the faces of it because Matt wanted to, and that was really fun. Very hot, but very fun. And yeah, we just stopped off. We had lunch at this amazing, it was one of the beaches that they've got, and it was incredible. And yeah, as I was saying, in the evening we just chilled. We did wake up at 2 o'clock this morning to try and see if we could see the Milky Way, but no such luck. But that's okay, the stars have been incredible. But we're gonna go get packed up, and I will catch in with you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, we have just finished hiking up to see the giant sequoia trees, which was really, really cool, and now we are finished in Yosemite. So we have filled up our water bottles and we are ready to head off again. So fantastic few days here and ready to see what else is to come on our last few days in LA.